video I started recreating my game Astro Ball, and we have added too many things in the game like terrain generation and terrain generation. Yeah, I didn't add anything else, man, I'm so dumb. But in this video we are going to add too many things in the game. So first thing I want to add is biome generation. And how do I add it?
For example, if our random starting biome is equal to 1, switch will generate.
Oh hell nah, man, I'm not doing one Sali. Like what the hell even is this thing? You piece of. So I have a plan, you know. So it's pretty simple. You take a square, you take the height and width, and according to the height and width, you get random two values, and that's a point. And on that point, make a circle, and that circle is your biome. So in simple words, we are just drawing circles in a map. Thank you. Relax, guys. I know, big brain. Hey, that's so stupid, man. What if the points lie on the same point? Huh? Well, guys, I've come prepared. You divide the square into 4 parts. Haha! One Sali go brrr. So to make a circle in between the map, we need to use a very simple formula. It is x minus xc square plus y minus yc square less than or is equal to r square. I don't know what that means, man. I just copied it from ChatGPT. We are just honest, we don't lie. So then I started programming it to make a circle in between the map, and after that we filled the circle with blocks. And then we add Perlin noise so it looks like a map and not a huge meatball in between. And I did some more detailing in the game and added new blocks so the biome looks a bit better than a plain biome. So yeah, we have added world generation in our game and also added a biome. But still the game looks kind of blank. Maybe it's because there's no lighting in the game. The player can directly see the blocks which are ahead of him, or it's like a spoiler to the player. So I watched some tutorials on YouTube to implement lights in the game. So yeah, then I fixed the thing and now it's working like a charm. And then I made the player face the mouse, but it's not perfectly aligning with the mouse cursor. So I can use complex calculations and fix this thing, or so after that I started making a system to destroy blocks. So for that I need to design a pickaxe, because duh, it's an asteroid, it can't mine with hands, you know. So I was busy working in Astro Ball, but suddenly from nowhere my college was like, hackathon. So for people who don't know what is hackathon, in simple words it's like Fortnite, but instead of guns you take laptops and beat programmers with it. And if you win, you get money. But the problem is, I'm a front-end developer, and my friend just switched from HTML to React, and I barely know backend. And there are only 3 days left for hackathon. So probably we shouldn't go to hackathon. Well, that was the most stressful day of my life, cause I was doing front-end and backend at the same time. And my friend, oh, he spent 24 hours just to make a front page. It's not even responsive. I mean, it's not his fault because I dragged him to join hackathon. So at the end of the day, this is what we built. So there are 2 logins. One is patient's login and doctor's login. When you go to patient's login, there are 3 things in it. One is the AI chatbot. It's kind of rude though. And it detects what kind of disease you have based on the symptoms. And then we have video call and a place where you can raise funds. So overall, we solved a problem which never existed. Or we are the problem. So anyways, hackathon is done. Now let's go back to Astro Balls. So we have added pickaxe in the game, and for some reason this thing is unexpectedly that took so long to fix. Anyways, after that I started working on highlighter to highlight the blocks which are meant to be selected. So maybe we can use lights to select the block. So I tried to do that, but maybe I should use game object to select the tiles. So now we have a working highlighter. So after this I started programming a system where players can mine through the blocks. And now our players can mine through the objects. So now the time has come where we are going to add our first mob in the game. So last time when I made Astro Ball, my first mob was a flying saucer which threw fireballs at the player. But this time I'm going to make an actual mob, like a living one. So what kind of mob can I add? It's a space game, so maybe a ghost? Imagine you go to space and you see an asteroid getting chased by a ghost. Wouldn't that be funny? So I started designing the mob, and after like 1.5 hours, I came up with this thing. Such a disappointment, man. It looks like someone threw a towel and kept green peas on it. Like what the hell? So I had to redesign it, man. And it's not that bad now. So now we have a mob in our game. But currently he's not doing anything. So I have to animate it and also program it to be a badass character. The animations were not up to my needs, so I had to program it manually, and it's pretty painful. I also added particles using Unity's particle system, a great system to add particles using Unity. So then I started programming mob attacking system, and when I say programming I mean Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I have your code G. Oh my god. It was supposed to push it, why is it pulling it towards it, man? So yeah, after that I fixed the thing, and now Asteroid is getting bullied by the mob. Pretty sad because the mob was doing the thing alone. So I made a spawner, and now there's a whole army of mobs attacking the player. And yeah, after that I added player damage animations, and I also changed the background light of the biome, and it looks pretty sick. So yeah, we have added too many things in this video, and that's it for today I guess. So if you like this video, smash that like button, or else I'll smash you.